In this video, I'll show you how to set up WooCommerce table rate shipping for free. Let's get straight into it. For example, here I'll set up a table rate shipping based on the weight of the product. And here you can see we've got different price breaks. So for example, if the item weighs 100 grams to 1 kg, we'll charge $4.95. If it's 1.1 kg to 3 kg, we'll charge this, and so on. Okay, so let's double check this on the front end. So this particular product, I'll set this one to weigh 100 grams. So essentially, since we've got 12 units, this is 1.2 kg, so we're being charged $10.95. So let's reduce this to under 1 kg, and here you can see we're being charged $4.95. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, I'll leave a link in the description below to this particular plugin. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is head over to plugins and then add new. We'll go ahead and search for table rate shipping. We'll install this one, activate. Okay, and now we'll head over to WooCommerce and then settings, and we'll navigate over to shipping. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is go ahead and set up a shipping zone. So I'm not going to cover this in this particular video. I've got another video which I've created, which I'll leave on screen now and in the description below, walking you through how to set up different shipping zones, how to set up basic settings such as the default WooCommerce flat rate shipping. For example, if you wanted to create a fixed cost per item, you don't need to watch this video and you don't need this particular table rate method. You can do it with the default WooCommerce system. So they've got basic calculations that you can say charge $3.50 per item, or charge a flat fee of X and basically an additional fee per item, right? So they've already got calculations like that can help. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and edit one of the shipping zones in which I've created beforehand. So I'll edit this one here, and essentially in this shipping zone, so I'll just give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. And then here I've specified the region in which I want to target, which is the US. We can narrow it down by a particular state or even a zip code. And then for the shipping methods, here I've just got a flat rate shipping method. I'm going to actually delete this one because we want to add our table rate shipping method. Okay, so we'll just click add method here. And now we'll go ahead and select this flexible shipping option. Let's hit continue. Okay, and this is our table rate shipping method. Okay, so we'll just hit edit the method title. So this is what customers will see on the front end. So we'll just say something like standard shipping. Okay, and in terms of integration, we can click on this link here and it will basically take us over to the author's website, in which we can purchase various different add-ons such as UPS. So we can provide customers with live up-to-date pricing based on a shipping courier that they go with. But we're going to ignore this for now. We're just going to set up everything manually, okay? So we can add a shipping method description here. We'll just leave it blank. I think the title is explanatory enough. We can choose whether we want this to be taxable or not. So let's just select no for this example, just so we can see the pricing clearly. Free shipping, we can set up a free shipping requirement. Okay, so we can say if they spend over X amount, we'll provide free shipping, or even free shipping based on a particular coupon and so on. But again, this requires a pro add-on. I'm going to ignore this one for now. And then here we'll create our first rule, okay? Basically, we can charge a flat fee. So if we select always, we can say just charge a flat fee of $10, for example. Okay. Video, we're just going to mainly focus on weight-based pricing. Okay. In the free version, we can set the pricing with a fixed fee, or we can do pricing break. For example, if a customer spends between, let's say, $1 and $50, maybe we want to charge them $6.95, okay, for that shipping. And then we can basically add various different increments based on the price that they choose to purchase in. Okay, so we could say from 51 to maybe 10,000, we'll charge, let's say, $25, for example. Okay, if that matches your use case, fair enough. But again, as I said, we're just going to create weight-based pricing. So let's delete this rule and let's set this to be based on the weight. Okay, so we'll say anything from 0.1 kg to 1 kg, we'll charge $4.95. And then we'll create another rule. Again, we'll select weight. And then this time we'll say if it's above 1.1 kg, we will charge, well, 1.1 to 3 kg this time. We're going to charge $10.95. And then let's create another rule. And then this time, again, we'll say weight. we'll say 3.1 to just say 100 kg. We want to create a wide range. So in the event that a customer purchases a product and it doesn't fall within any of these ranges, which you've specified in the back end, on the front end, they'll see a notice saying that there's no shipping option. So we don't want that, okay? Unless, I don't know, maybe let's say, for example, if it's over 1000 kg, maybe you don't want to show a shipping option and you want to prompt the customers to request a quote, then maybe that's an option. I'll leave a link on screen actually to a video which I've created, which basically allows customers that might want to purchase in bulk to request a custom shipping quote. So I'll leave a link on screen and in the description below to that particular video. But again, here we'll just say $50, okay? And if you really wanted, let's say for example, you're shipping with DPD, it will vary as well based on the dimensions. But if you've got a set dimensions and you know the weight of your product, then you can basically just check their website and see how much they're charging and then just map it in the back end here, okay? So with our table rate setup, let's just hit save changes. I'm going to quickly head over to products and I'm going to add a weight to a product just to make sure so we can double check the calculations. All right, so let's head over to products, all products. Let's edit this product here. Let's navigate to shipping and then here we can specify the weight and even the dimensions as well. So let's say this is 0.1 kg. Let's hit update. Let's view the product. Right now, let's add this to our basket. Let's view our basket. We can see the price is $4.95, which matches this price in here. Let's increase the number of items so we can tip it over the 1 kg threshold. So let's say we want to purchase 11 units. Let's update this. Okay, and here we're being charged $10.95. Okay, so since it's 11 units, it's actually 1.1 kg. Okay, so this is working exactly as it should, and we can just go ahead and check out. Right, the price is reflecting correctly. So if you was wondering as well, with this checkout page, this is created by our all-in-one checkout plugin, which is free to download and get started, okay, which gives us this optimized checkout layout here. We can also add different upsells and different order bumps to increase the average order value per transaction. Okay, so again, I'll leave a link in the description below to this particular plugin in which you can download for free. We can also increase the quantity here and even change the product selection from the checkout page. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.